Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing True Blue Golf Resort. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Surrounded by lush vegetation, this Pawleys Island resort features an 18-hole championship golf course, a southern-style restaurant, and spacious villas. Pawleys Inlet is 9 miles away. Villas at True Blue Golf Resort feature a private balcony with a resort view and a full kitchen. Villas offer traditional decor and include a spacious living area with a sofa and cable TV. Free Wi-Fi is also provided. The resort's restaurant, True Blue Grill Room, serves traditional southern-style dishes and is open for breakfast and lunch. The restaurant's Tavern offers a full bar and is open all day. At Resort True Blue Golf, guests can lounge at the outdoor pool or use the barbecue facilities in the cookout and picnic area. A children's playground is also available. Brookgreen Gardens and Huntington Beach State Park are each 10 minutes drive from the resort. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.